Hey guys, what's going on? Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. Thanks for checking out our video. We got two 17 Threads personals. These are both for Andy Capp. Right after this, we are going to fill up the rest of Case 8. And rock and roll. Case 8 ETA. I said midnight, might be like 12:05. We're pretty damn close though. Teams are flying out of the store, I can tell. That feels heavy. Every time I've said that I've been wrong though, so don't even take it. Take it with like the biggest grain of salt ever, because this one feels heavy too. And this one it does have a fatty in there, actually. Oh, fatty. Okay, Trey Turner, 340. Not focused. Alright, Turner, 340. Kershaw, 150. A little fuzzy, isn't it? There we go. Myers. Trout. Freddie. Wainwright out of 36. You got a wood 101, Andy. Look at you. Pop into the stream. Have an upside down. Was that freaking Tulo? Oh, Story. Oh, damn, that's nice. Success Story. Trevor Story, 1 of 1 wood parallel. The true 1 of 1. Not the mimicking white whale. Nice hit, man. How's that for 1 mini? That's excellent. Alright, Trevor Story, 1 of 1 for the Rockies. Andy Capp sniping some boxes off screen. Making it happen. Let's see what he's got in mini number 2. He says, ugh. Alright, we got a redemption on the bottom. Let me flip this card over. Alright, Ichiro, 340. Arrieta, 150. Tanaka. Betts. Hosmer. A Braves hit! Holy crap, they don't exist. Braves got a big fat checklist. None of their hits exist. 19 out of 36. And just look at that. Looks like this case might be hot with a certain player. Benny's. 19 out of 36 for the Braves. Unity Silver, that'll be at a 75, Andy. That's the sticker version, that's not the autographed, or not the on-card version. Rookie Future Phenoms is on-card. Nice card, though. Benny. This is the one that I thought was fat when I first pulled it. Yeah, that definitely is. There's something else thick in there. Brand new master, Greg. Brand new master. I've told people all night not to play that game where if something comes out, case before. And obviously with masters and 9s you can kind of guess. 349 Mookie Betts. Russell, 150. Pence, Carpenter, Pedroia. Mike Trout, Relic, 11 out of 27. And it is Steven Matz out of 50. 28 out of 50. 2-color, on-card ink, emerald. Alright, this side has something in it. It's heavy. Yeah, that's a big card. Alright, Andy. 2 boxes, each with a fatty in them. Let's make sure I have that right. Alright, Cobb, 250. Mattingly, 340. Old address, Corey. Ugh. Trout, Freeman, Adam Jones. Very nice Adam Duvall, Andy. 29 out of 75. 29 out of 75. I think they're 210, Greg. And this is an Upwards Gold WBC relic. Oh, that is really nice. Crawford, Arenado, and Kinsler. No patch on the Arenado, unfortunately. 3-color Crawford, 2-color Kinsler, Arenado, blue. 2 out of 9 for you, Andy. Not too shabby. Nice 2-box break right there. Crawford, Arenado, and Kinsler from the WBC Team USA. USA. Alright. one more look at the story. Success story. And I'm assuming those are all sell, Andy. Let me know if anything's PC. Alright.